That is your dog.
Yeah.
Yesterday your dog is almost bite me. I'm so afraid.
It's the puppy.
Oh, what is his name?
Mummy.
Oh, mommy. She is a woman.
Yeah.
Oh.
5 months.
Oh, 5 months.
Yeah.
But it's so big.
Yeah.
Healthy dog. You live in Ottoman. Oh, what? Oh, la, la, la. I'm afraid. Nice to meet you. Nakamine. Udah gue bilangin kan kemarin sama anjing itu juga aku digugukin sama anjing itu. Parah emang anjing itu memang. Waduh.